Hi guys, so we have here another affordable Filipino snacks. We have ChocoMani, which is a peanut choco bar. Now, this whole pack contains 24 pieces of individually packed choco bars. And this whole thing just costs around 25 Philippine pesos. It's just like 1 peso per chocolate bar. Now, this is really delicious because this is a combination of chocolate and peanut. You know, it's not like those chocolates, the pricey chocolates that you buy, but it's still good. Now, the ingredients here are roasted peanuts, sugar, maltodextrin, cornstarch, wheat powder, cocoa powder, and vanilla flavor. And allergen information: product contains peanut and milk. So you got, please take note of that. Alright, so this is another product of the Philippines. Nutrition facts: so 1 serving, which is equivalent to 1 piece ChocoMani, is 41 calories. Alright, so if you eat too many of this, you know, calories can pile up. Here's the expiration date. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this pack of ChocoMani. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Alright, so these are the individually wrapped chocolate It's called sakto because it's a Filipino word for just enough. Look, it's so small. Let's unwrap this. So of course, because this has peanut, it has this nutty flavor. It's sweet and nutty. Very delicious. Ooh. That crumbles really easily. It's not like those pricey chocolate bars. So manage your expectation. But this is really good. You know, this is part of our childhood. The small chocolate bars like this. It's really sweet and nutty. This is a great dessert. This is what it looks like. It has a powdery texture. Alright. And my ChocoMani, I like to place that inside a container. An airtight container because, you know, there are ants. And if you don't store it properly, then they're gonna get your desserts, and yeah, so you don't want ants near your dessert. So make sure to store this properly. Alright, so I guess that's my review of ChocoMani. And thank you so much for watching.